Hello guys, Colonel Ninny here. Today we're going to look at some cool aspects of tactical air war, the latest campaign, Campaign 19. The main reason we won, of course, was because I was on the German team. Well, alright, perhaps that's stretching the truth just a little. But I did do my part. And if you flew in this campaign as well, then you were amongst 2,770 other players, all participating in this 6-week tournament. So don't feel bad, let's see how I did. My stats show that I flew for 22 hours, I did 64 sorties, and only managed to land 26 of those. My pilots died 10 times, but I think the best measure of my performance here is the number of kills per hour or the number of kills per death. And the surest way of affecting those statistics is not to be working alone. TAR is a team sport. My survival and success has depended entirely upon my coordination and cooperation with my teammates. There's been more than one occasion where the three of us have been able to destroy an entire target and take it off the map. Like this railway station, for example. The object of damaging the enemy's airfields is to deny him a place to take off and land. If we do enough damage, that means the airfield cannot be used and the opponent has to take off and land from somewhere else. Just another tactic to help to move the ground war along so that we can capture the next city. But as in real life, war is about teamwork. The blue team or the red team is comprised of a series of number of squads. And although individual effort and performance is important, it's not as important as working together as a team to achieve a common strategic and tactical goal. What makes TAR campaigns so unique and why I enjoy it personally is that it's not just a case of blowing shit up. It's blowing up the right shit in the right place to have the maximum effect on the overall campaign. It's much easier to destroy a factory full of tanks than it is to try and take on a tank in the field. Supply is critical. Trains and bridges and convoys all bring supplies to the front line to support the ground troops and the tank attacks on your defenses. Of course, you can't always guarantee that your teammates will be available to fly when you are. So you need to be very selective about where you're going to attack and how you're going to do it. To attack this bridge, I've flown a very indirect route at low altitude, then climbed up well away from all their fighters. As soon as I'm detected, the message will go up on the screen, and the enemy will know that their bridge is being attacked. Any fighters in the area that have been alerted are likely to try to intercept me on my way home. They're expecting me to go directly to the airfield. But it's a beautiful day for flying, so I'm just going to enjoy it and fly a more circuitous route back to my airbase. For each successful sortie, I'll gain a combat mission. Every 3 combat missions allows you to get another aircraft. In TAR, aircraft are precious, and if you lose one or damage it, you won't have it for the next mission. So you may end up having no aircraft to fly at all. If you're relatively new to ground attack, then I would suggest you try and hit the defensive positions because it's a target-rich environment, and when you drop a bomb, even if it's not accurate, it may still hit something. While if you can destroy their defenses, that means that your tanks will have a greater chance of overcoming them and capturing the city that they surround. Flak is by far your most dangerous adversary in any kind of a ground attack. Consequently, you and your team have to make a concerted effort to destroy the flak so that you can then take your time to destroy the target. Multiple attacks from multiple aircraft will usually carrying the bomb. And hopefully your fighters can help to eliminate some of the flak too, and once that's done they can do a flyby and really take a head count on the targets that are left and advise the bomber pilots where they are on the column. Of course, the longer you spend over the target, the greater the risk of having enemy fighters show up. But I think ultimately it all comes down to how many targets can you destroy before they destroy yours. The next tour campaign is probably another month to 6 weeks away, so get some practice in.
As always, if you've enjoyed this video, found it helpful, please like it or subscribe, or if there's another topic you'd like me to cover, please leave a comment. Thank you guys.